Hello, it's been a while since I opened something. I have been out of the country for 2 months, and while I was gone, quite a few packages piled up. While I was gone, I didn't expect Stray Kids to have a comeback and BTS's OST to come out, and with a couple other packages as well. But yeah, it's a good thing I had someone home to get my packages, so that was good. But that's what this is, the OST, BTS's OST, I'm pretty sure. And of course, since Stray Kids had a comeback, I of course had to pre-order the album, which I did. Especially the limited. I'm really glad I got the limited right when it came out, because it quickly just vanished. Yeah, it seems like. But yeah, so I'm gonna open this package first since I have a few that I need to open. But I have been waiting since I knew this came before, while I was out of the country. I knew it came, so I've been dying to come back to open it. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with this one. As I have said before, I collect all of the members, so whoever I don't get, I'm gonna buy. So, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, I play the game, which, you know, it's nice. Which is weird because when I first drew something, oh my god, I saw. Oh my god. You know what, I'm gonna just show you what I pulled because I already saw it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I pulled JUNGKOOK. Thank god, because he's the one of, he's the expensive one. I can't. Thank goodness. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I love these, I love how it's double-sided. Genius. And I got Namjoon. So cute. You could actually use these cards on the game. I believe so, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, that's nice. And the lenticular, just like in the game. Oh, this is really nice in person. It really is. And then just coupon, BTS World coupon. Oh my god, I'm you don't understand, because I was looking on eBay how much the cards are. Oh, I'm really glad I pulled him, because it doesn't really matter who I pull since I collect all of them. So I always hope to pull sadly the more expensive members, which I think that's unfair. I think they all should be the same price, but yeah, I'm glad I pulled him. And then the book, oh my god, I've seen unboxing of this and it's so beautiful. Oh my god, I don't even know which one was the beginning. Oh, I'm guessing this one. Oh my god. I'm not gonna go in depth really, I'm just gonna go quickly. Oh. Oh my god. I can't. Okay. Oh, I love this picture.
혼자 주저앉아 생각만 커져가 언제부터 넌 날 아프게 했던가 너조차도.
Yeah, I just went quickly through this, but yeah, really happy with my pulls. Like I said, anyone would have been fine since I would have collected all of them anyway. Oof. But the card is quite smaller than I expected, actually. It's really small. But yeah. Okay, once we're done with that, Let's go to the next thing. So, while I was gone out of the country, there was this K-pop store. They didn't have much. It was more like a store that had some K-pop stuff in it. But yeah, I got some BT21 keychains. Yes. So I don't have all the members because I did not have enough money at the time. So yeah. Yeah. So I got Koya. Come on. Oh, I love this. The purple. Purple's my favorite color. It's been always purple. I got Tata. I actually used them while I was there too. I put them on my purse. And I got Chimmy, which he's kind of dirty because I gave him to my niece, and so yeah. But I think I'm gonna like find online to get another him. I'm gonna get all of them. And I got Shuki. He matches my outfit. I was wearing this outfit one day and it was literally perfect. That's why it was between RJ and Shuki. Since I didn't have enough money to get all the members, and so it was between RJ and Shuki, but he matched my outfit that day, so yeah. And then I got just a BTS light stick keychain, simple, and then a black pink one. Yes. Yeah. They were going for, well, the currency that in the other country was using, it was about like $5. So yeah. But yeah, they're cute. Yeah. I'm just gonna, now we're gonna open I believe the Stray Kids limited edition. But I got the limited and in the normal versions from separate sellers. I got the limited from Kpop Market 01 on eBay, and then I got the Yellowwood and the other one, I forgot the version name, on Amazon. So yeah, I pre-ordered those on that. Oh my god, you don't know how excited I am to open this. Oh, I pre-ordered this and I was like, yes. I really hope for the pre-order I didn't get Hyunjin's Yellowwood card because I was worried I wouldn't get him, so I bought him on eBay before knowing who I pulled, which is probably stupid, but I got it for a good price, so I was like, oh my god, before it's gone, because yeah. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. So, with Stray Kids, I kind of switched up how I collect them. Because, I don't know, honestly. Things changed. Now, I like fully collect Bangchan, Minho, and it's Changmin or Hyunjin. Honestly, I still I collect all the members for 2 photo cards for the whole album, and then because they have 5 each, and then for 3 of them I only collect 3 members. Does that make sense? It'll make sense later on. Yeah. Oh my god. If this is Felix. Oh my god, I wanted Felix's. Ooh. Oh, thank goodness. Okay. Wonderful. Of course, Kpop Market 01 always gives these. Oh my god, I was hoping to get him. I really hope I don't get doubles, because if I do, that's going to be, it's just, trading is just so much work, you know? Yeah. This is why I like getting from Kpop Market 01, because I know they always give you these nice cards. Oh, cinnamon. Oh. Oh, you know. I am. Oh god. Okay. His yellow card was the best. I mean, honestly. But if I got him, I'm gonna be quite upset since I already have him. I got him in the mail. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna open this first. Oof. To be honest, I was thinking of maybe collecting all the members for this, because when it comes to like things like these, I collect all the members because I love them all. So they make it so hard. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got Felix. Oh my god, this is like thick. Jeez, wow. Okay, yeah, so, like it's thicker than I expected. Oh my god, I'm under. Oh, by the way, I'm not opening this. That's funny. That's. I don't know why they would do that. And you're lying. You're lying. Oh my god, hold on, just 1 second. I literally ordered him. You've got to be kidding me. God dang it, what have I done? I should have ordered Minnow. God, it was between him or Minnow. Oof. But I really didn't think I'd pull him because my luck sucks. You've got to be kidding me. Actually, technically my luck does suck because I ordered him. I did pull him. God dang it. But he's gonna be easy to trade though. Oh, God, I can't believe this happened. Okay, well, at least I pulled him. I never pulled Hyunjin, which is sad. But yeah, okay, well, that's fine. Anyways, let's just... anyways, okay. I'm just gonna open this. God. I really hope I don't get doubles for my albums, because for their last Clay 1 album, I didn't get doubles, so that was nice. Which is surprising. I usually do get doubles, but yeah. Oh wow, this texture is different. Wow, it's JYP's packaging. I think I love it. I really do, because I love book packaging. Day 6 just came out with an album, but I haven't bought it yet. Oh, like I know there's a lot of unboxing of this, so I'm just gonna go quickly. Oh god, quickly through it. God. Oh my god. The yellow wood feels different on this. Wow, that's interesting. Oh my god, I wonder who's my first page. It doesn't matter who. Oh my god, yes! I was hoping to get him. Oh my god, what's my luck today? That's... Wow, I should really have faith in my luck, because for some reason, yeah, that's... I actually got really lucky in the last album, which is not like me. Oh my god, I'm so happy about that. Okay. I'm gonna quickly go through this. I saw unboxings, so... Oh wait, I should take out the pulls. Hold on. Yeah, this... Oh god, okay. Where's the... Wait, hold on. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna just, like I said, quickly go through it.
오케이. 안녕. 난 어디든 비행할 수 있는 청소년. 그렇다고 비행 청소년은 아냐 다 어텐션. 난 나보다 약한 건 안 건드려. 센 것들만 골라내서 모두 제껴. 순한 양에 다가도 목표 앞에 맹수. 내 패기를 뱉어내 100번의 배를 쳐 목편 지구만 대편에 태워 내 포기는 보이지 내 객기네요. 올라가는 내 모습 마치 하늘 향한 우주선. 내 옆길 동창에서 태양마저 날 비비쳐. Keep fighting.
Hey, yeah, I love this. Okay. I'm open this first. I will be collecting the other one, but this is the one I actually wanted. I know it doesn't really matter, but... Oh, 100% I'm not gonna use these stickers. Best believe I ain't using these stickers. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, it's so nice. If I get a second copy, which... Judging how much people are selling it now, I don't know if I will. But, then I'll use the stickers, but I don't think, yeah, I'm not gonna use them, so. Yeah, and then these. Oh. Oof. Ooh, the 3 gems. Ooh, I can't. And this. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, you can't be mad at that, can you? Like, you can't. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, okay, let's look at our polls. I'm covering because I think you could see who you pull. I don't know, I forgot. Anyways. Oh, God, I got Woojin. Oh. I got Woojin. I wasn't gonna collect all the members for the far away photo card. I was just gonna collect my 3. But, I hate trading. Oh. I don't know if I've traded this because it hurts my heart for trading because I really love keeping everything I pull, you know? Oh, I got Changbin. His black border. I bet you I'm gonna probably pull Jisung's photo because everyone pulls him. I'll probably pull him in my other album. Oh my god. 1 out of 5. That's a long way to go, but that's fine. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna open the other one now. The other 2 albums. I got them from Amazon. Not from Kpop Market 1, but yeah. Okay, so I got these from Amazon. And just by looking at it, I could tell I got Minnows, which is I'm really happy about because I was this close on buying him. So yeah, that would have been a mistake again. Yeah. Oh. I sometimes buy my albums from Amazon, but it depends, honestly. Yeah. I always get freebies. Felix. Bangchan. Oh, Instant Mini. Oh, okay. I usually don't get posters since I can't put them on my wall, since like I share a room, so it's just not it. So I'll just, I don't know, I think I'll show it. Oh god, okay, you know what? I'll show it later. This is, oh god, this is huge. Okay. Okay, I'll show these later. But I'm pretty sure I got Minnow. And I think I'm positive this is Jungin, but I don't know, the yellow wood card's in the way. Oh, I think it is. Okay, let's just open this one first. If I get Hyunjin again, I'm going to be quite sad because then I'll have 2 to trade and that's just gonna be... I did get Minnow. So happy about that. Oh my god, I was so close on buying him. I can't. Oh my god, if I got Hyunjin again, I'm going to be... Oh my... Yes! Okay, great. Oh, thank god. Okay, wonderful. I was gonna trade him for Changbin. Oh, great. Good, because I collect Changbin. That's wonderful. But if I get Bangchan, then I might not even... Yeah, I was right about Ion, of course. It was obvious. Oh my god. Oh my god! I actually got Bangchan! Oh my god, what's my luck this comeback? Oh my god, whoa, this is... I can't believe I got him. So I have 2 extra Hyunjins, and I have Hyunjins. Well, I just need to trade one of Hyunjin's extra card for Minnows, and then I'll be great. But honestly, I was thinking maybe just collecting all of them. I don't know. Also, I'm not gonna open these. That's fine. Anyways, wow, I literally can't believe it happened. Okay, I don't know what my luck is this time, man. Okay. So I'm just gonna start with opening this one because I believe this is the first one. I think this is the Yellowwood version because I was like, when I read the versions, I was like, why isn't the yellow one Yellowwood version? So I'm pretty sure that one is. Oh my god, so I got Minnow the first time. Let's see if I got this time. Oh, I got Woojin! Oh. 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 Oh, okay, so I'm gonna... Oh, I should take out my polls. Hold on, let me... Okay, I did not see. I'm gonna go through this quickly since there's been a lot of unboxings of this, so I'm just gonna. Wonderful. Okay. Let's see who I pulled. Okay, and oh, I got Felix. Wait, I don't remember who I pulled on last album. It's fine. Okay, in that limited edition. Oh my God, that's great. Wonderful. And oh my God, oh, I pulled him. Okay, great, wonderful. One less to go since I'm collecting all of his cards. So yes. Okay. Also, I don't mind showing the back. It's yeah. And oh my God, I got two. I got two Felix. Who am I? Oh my God, I swear my luck is strange. Anyways, okay, that's great pulls. Wow. Okay, on to the next version. I really hope, I've been doing so good this time. I really hope I don't pull doubles. So I've been waiting literally 2 months to open this. So let's see what I get. Oh, I got Singman. I'm just glad I got different cover pages. Oh, I got Singman. I don't trade cover pages because I love all the members, so it really doesn't matter to me. But yeah, let me take out my pulls. Okay, I'll go through this quickly. Let's see what I pulled. Hopefully no doubles. And oh my God, I got the Hyunjin photo card I wanted. Oh God, seriously, what is happening to me? Okay, and oh no, I pulled a double. Well, that's fine. I already got Woojin. I don't know if I'll keep. I might. I don't know. Probably trade him. And oh, I got Woojin again. I think I'm collecting all the members for the black border. So yeah, because I always pick 2 photo cards where I collect all the members for. So, and I think I'm collecting the one where the outside. I think I'm collecting all the members for that. I think I'm collecting the black border for everyone. So yeah, so I'm glad about this. I might trade this Woojin for maybe Minho or Bangchan or Changmin. So I might not. I don't know. But yeah, I'm happy with everything I pulled. I still can't believe I pulled them too. If only I didn't buy Hyunjin's. That is because I pulled him. So that's fine. I'll trade his extra one for Minho's and then I'll be good with this. Yeah, I'm so glad I got him. Okay, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, let's go to the next package. So for this package, my sister opened it while I was gone. She thought it was hers, that's why she opened it. But I'm really excited for this though. This, my sister actually said this took the longest to arrive. Which, usually if you get a package from Japan, it usually does take the longest to arrive. At least from my experience. Oh, yes. I got this for a really good price too, so. Okay, yes, I got all the versions and the fan club version. Yes, I don't know if I should open all of them. Like, yeah, I guess I would. So I got this like it was already pre-opened from a fan because they wanted the slip for like I think a high touch or a family or something. But yeah. I was upset when I heard there wasn't gonna be photo cards in this, but it's fine because the fan club version, like you get all the photo cards. So, yeah. And I love the music video for Lights. I know one of them has a photo book, or like 2 photo books, or I don't know which one it was. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's not this one. I believe this is the fan club version. I think it's this one. Or no, it's not this one. Oh, it's this one. Oh. Yes. Yes, the music video for Lights was so beautiful. It also made me so sad. But yeah. Oh, okay, I'll close that later. Okay, let's look at photo cards. Ooh, as always. Yes. Oh, I really love this photo card. Oh, I really wanted this one. Of course, JK. Okay, yeah, that would be the Japanese albums. So I got these packages as well. I'm pretty sure these are my NCT albums. Yeah, but judging by the size of this, I'm sure this is the regular album. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I ordered Johnny's. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I'm so happy I finally got this. Oh, I really wanted his cover. Oh. 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 really wanted Johnny's cover. I was gonna get Doyoung's cover or his, but I think I'm still gonna get Doyoung's because he's one of my top. He's my bias trigger, I guess you could say, but yeah. Oof. Oh, I'm so happy for getting his cover. Oh. Okay. I still haven't completed the photo cards for this album actually, so yeah. If I get any doubles, I'll just trade, but yeah. Oh, I got Jaehyun. Oh. Oh. Okay. I actually didn't pull his, so that's good. And this is obviously Johnny's. Yes. And I'll just quickly go through it, but I'm sure everyone has seen this album. I missed Win in the new comeback. We Are Superhuman, but that's fine. I'm sure I'll come back. Oh. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay, I think I'm pretty sure the other package is my We Are Superhuman album, so yeah, I'm gonna open that. So yeah. Oh, I'm so happy I finally have this in my hand. Because I was gone for so long and everything came, so I was just, like, I hate waiting to open my packages, but I had to wait till I come home, obviously, so. Yes. Oh, it's much smaller than I thought it'd be. Oh, God. I'm pretty sure this is the Korean version since the slip is on it. So, yeah. Oh, I love the holographic. Also, I think this is my favorite packaging from NCT because I like simple book style. I love it, and because I've seen so many unboxings of this. I love the photo book. Oh. Okay, let me just get my pulls out. There, let's see what I got. Oh, I got Johnny. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Okay, wonderful. 2 members I collect. Oh, I'm so happy about that. Oh. Oh, I love this. Oh. Okay. So happy. But I do think I probably will collect all the members for this album, so I don't know. If it's too hard, then I might just collect the members I collect, but oh. I really love this album. I think Highway to Heaven probably is my favorite song. I know that's a lot of people's favorite song, but yeah, I really love that song. And I saw the music video to it, so it's really nice. Oh. Ah, the coconut heads. Oh. I was so upset because I couldn't go to their concert and they finally came to Arizona and I couldn't go. I was so upset, but it is what it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm on to the next package. Okay, so this package I've been waiting for. I'm really excited to open this one. So yeah, let's just get into it. Judging by the size, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. As far as I know this did take a while to get here, which I don't know why it took so long. But as long as I got it, so that's oh, yes. Oh, I'm excited. Because they, I was contemplating if I should get this or not. I ended up getting it because they came to Phoenix, and that's on the tour bus. So I thought I should just get it as a memorable item, since I don't know if they'll ever come back to Arizona. But oh, see, the problem with the photo cards though is that I collect 4 members, so and you pull 3, so that's going to be interesting. Oh, yes. Okay, let's just hold on. Okay, let me just open this first. Oh, but I don't wanna like rip the box. I'm gonna have to open it carefully. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna open this first and then we'll get back to it. Alright, so I opened the box. And it's so cute. Oh, I did want to get this for the photo cards, but I honestly mainly wanted the bus. Oh wow, this is heavy. Oh. You see? Oh no, where to say? Oh, it says it here. Yeah. Phoenix. This is like heavy. Yeah. I saw a lot of people do this. Oh, don't want to fall off. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm really happy about that. Oh god, I saw many combinations for the photo cards. I just, if I see Doyoung, then I'll be happy. You know what I mean? Hold on. It's probably gonna be quite difficult to trade and get Johnny, but oh god, I'm nervous. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh my god. I hope I get Jungkook too, because okay, hold on. Let's just start with one and then 3, 2. Oh my god, Doyoung! Oh, thank god. Oh my god, I really wanted this one. Oh, okay. Number 1 success. Okay, let's see. And I got Jungkook. Oh, thank god. Okay, I collect him. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, 2 success. I doubt. There's no way. Hold on. I think I saw this combination. I don't know if, hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Haechan. Oh, I don't collect him. But it's gonna really kill me to trade him because I can't. I will probably he's probably up for trade for Johnny or Mark. So yeah. But yeah, I'm really happy with my pull. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, so that will be it for this unboxing. I'm so happy with everything I got. I couldn't wait to unbox some since I was gone for 2 months, but yeah, really happy with what I got. Okay, thank you. Bye.